any website to advertise on your Facebook, very important option is called two things will be used. The Facebook below option is called Facebook share. Second will be using for the tools. Second using for tools. I'll show you two process. With the tool, without tool. Without tool, first you can copy this one. Let's go for Facebook sharing. When sharing Facebook time, they can show your image also will be very important. They show for image also will be very important. Select it. Here will be sharing for share new feed and story using hashtag. Swimming, swimmer, swimming class, indoor swimming. Now same will be post. Will be done by post. It then will be posted where in newsfeed and story border. Select your Facebook. Come into your share. The option call is friends timeline. Friends timeline. Again post. Again post. Next one. Facebook. What options are there? I'll show the all options. I'll explain one by one. I'll explain one by one. In this third one, groups. The relevant group we can add or we can exist group will be sharing. Swimming. Post. Is it clear? This will be here. Next, Facebook. The final will be option is called. The option call is pages. Sharing for other pages. How many pages you want? Add the pages here. Post it. Is it clear? So this one. Second one, same link. Second one, same link. Changing for image and title and description. Link will be same. Title change, description change. First upload image. Link the same. Image change, title change, description change. Select your upload it. Title. Description. Or the location. Virtually. Link will be same. I'm not changing anything. I'm changing only thing option is called title and description. Or you can click for finish. Now after finishing, you can check the option Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Now I'm sharing for Facebook. So with our website using by the tool, what the option call is anyimage.io. Paste it where you can go for page. Where already I'm changing for the page. Swimming. Select your post your option. Then this is the option for post your option. Select it. How many pages you want to share, groups, anything you can share. That's your wish. But once today done by 10 groups, wait for minimum 2 days or 3 days. After share the remaining 10 groups. And relevant groups you can share. Unrelated groups don't share. Swimming pool information don't upload by Java trainings. Java trainers don't post in the healthy tips. They're totally wrong. The group element is not there. Create that groups. Create that groups. Click for post. So this is called advertise your business on using Facebook. One is called with the tool. Second will be without any third party online tools.